Next up, let's turn our attention to the overall economic outlook. Let's look at the Asia-Pacific region to begin with. Now, Trump's trade war worries have weighed on the outlook for global economies. In Asia, India is still expected to be the fastest growing major economy in the world. However, a standoff with US on tariffs is likely to weigh on India's growth. The outlook for the rest of Asia remained negative. For China, the outlook is still mired in doubts from the recession in its real estate crisis. However, the latest trade truce with the US are only good signs for the economy, as reflecting in a rebound in manufacturing activity. The economic outlook for Japan and Aussie mirrored worries from Trump's trade war. In the Americas, the economic outlook for the US, Canada, Brazil and Argentina shows trade tariffs are likely to hurt economic growth. For the US economy, stagflation bets are still weighing on sentiment and the outlook. The biggest data revision since the pandemic for US jobs is now increasing bets for the Fed to cut rates in September. However, complicating the Fed's job, tariffs are starting to show up in inflation. US tariffs have surged to over 20% from about 2% before Trump took office in January. The economic activity expectations for Canada, Brazil and Argentina were also cut. The negative outlook seems to be more widespread. The expectations show the clouds are darkening again for the UK and other European economies. The trade deals agreed with the US point to more pain, and those worries continue to cloud the outlook for the region. The story wasn't very different for African economies, where the outlook remains negative.